Today, we're diving into the world of keyless entry solutions with the USARemote replacement key fob for 2016 to 2018 Nissan Altima and Maxima. If you've ever found yourself in the unfortunate situation of losing or damaging your key fob, you know the hassle it can cause. But fear not, because USARemote has got you covered with their high-quality replacement option. First off, let's talk compatibility. This key fob is designed specifically to work with the 2016 to 2018 models of both the Nissan Altima and Maxima, so you can rest assured that it'll integrate seamlessly with your vehicle's system. Plus, with a complete electronic assembly including a battery and uncut insert blade, you're getting everything you need in one package. Installation is a breeze, although it's worth noting that dealer or locksmith programming is required. Once that's taken care of, you'll be ready to enjoy the convenience of keyless entry once again. And with 4 buttons providing access to all the essential functions, you'll have full control at your fingertips. But what sets the USARemote replacement key fob apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's a high-quality aftermarket part that offers reliable performance at an affordable price point. And with USARemote's commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust that you're getting a product that's built to last. So whether you're replacing a lost or broken key fob, upgrading to a new shell case, or simply need a spare key, USARemote has you covered. Say goodbye to the frustration of traditional keys and experience the convenience, reliability, and peace of mind that comes with a USARemote key fob. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.